Hello everyone, through this video we're going to learn how to set a TikTok video as a live wallpaper on your mobile. Sometimes we get nice videos on TikTok. We want to use that TikTok as a live wallpapers on our mobile, so through this video I will show you how you can do this. After watching this video, if you have benefited from this video, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also if you face any problem then please comment. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. Now, select the video that you want to use as a wallpaper. After that, tap on the share icon at the bottom right side. Here you will see to Tools row. Now, slide the down Tools row to the left. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper. Then again tap on Set as Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper. Now tap on Home Screen. And this video has been set as my wallpaper. As you can see that my wallpaper has been changed. I hope you understand the full process. Thank you so much for watching the full video.